Okay, so we are here in historic Hummelstown, Pennsylvania, and we're working on Zion Lutheran Church. This is a bell tower that I worked on with my father 15 years ago, 2009. So we're here today to work on a couple of things. We have some cracking stone here that were repaired, but we were not able to take them out 15 years ago, and they've had continued cracking. So we're planning on removing this old wrought iron railing system, having a blacksmith restore it, and then we have to repair the steps. See these areas. Cement patches have been put in. And where the stone's starting to crack, and of course this is happening because of the expanding iron work inside. So we're planning on putting these iron railing systems back in a stainless steel sleeve and putting them back in with epoxy, and hopefully that will really help these repairs to last a long time. But the iron railing system is one aspect of this. Once the railing system is removed, then we'll be able to get into extracting these stones and replacing these stones. Now, to do that, we have to do all kinds of structural propping here. So we'll have to prop around the archway and ensure that everything's going to stay in place. We've already been meeting with the structural engineer regarding this work. See the steps here. The lower step has actually cracked. And so what we're planning on doing is trying to save this section of the step. This is a very long step. And cut a new stone, because this stone is fractured, cut a new stone and put a whole new stone back in place there. So we'll see how it goes, how it progresses. We also are going to be doing some repointing work on the side here. You can see that this section of the wall was repointed with lime mortars. Over the past several years, we've been working on this project and repointing the walls, and everything just looks great. So now we're planning on using the same lime mortars over here and removing the cement mortars that are there and the sealant. So this is going to be a little bit of our first project in Hummelstown here. Be here for a little while.